I'm back again. Just want to show you how you can use the tangent ratio to solve problems. So if you look over here on the right, here are two examples that's in your textbook. So what I'm going to do is, if these examples right here aren't making sense to you or it's all confusing, that's fine. I'm going to do these two examples so you have those in addition to the ones that you have here. So what I did was I copied them over here. A little messy, but that's okay. So first I'm going to start with this one over here. You'll see why in a second. So first I'm going to write out what I'm going to do here. So the tangent ratio is tangent of any angle is the opposite leg over the adjacent leg. So just always remember that. That's always going to be true. Same thing over here. Tangent of any angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. So when you're looking at the problem, figure out what information you have. So I have this 56 degrees, which I'm going to go ahead and box it. So this is 56 degrees. So that's going to go right here. So that's going to be 56. So let me turn this box off. So this is going to go right in there. Okay. So I'm going to erase that. No way. I'm going to write down 56 degrees. Very messy. I apologize. And then now out of the three lengths, you need to figure out what's opposite and what's adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. So this right here is the hypotenuse. We're not going to use it. Obviously, they didn't give you that length. But when you're looking at this is across. So that makes this one the opposite. This one right here is touching it. It's next to it. So that's going to be the adjacent. So that's what's going to go in here. This is going to, you're going to replace this with X and then replace that with 13. So there is the problem that you're going to set up. Tangent of 56 degrees equals X divided by 13. There, now you have just a math problem that you're going to have to solve. It says tan 56 equals X over 13. This tan of 56 is just a number your calculator knows. In case you've ever looked at a scientific calculator and wondered what those other extra buttons do. So there's that one, but I like using the Desmos one. Right here, sin, cos, tan, that actually stands for sine, cosine, and tangent. We're finally going to use these right here. Yay! So this button right here is tangent. That's what we're going to be using. Just make sure that when you look at this, it's set to degrees. Some of yours is going to say rad. That stands for radians. You're not going to use that until pre-cal. It has to be set to degrees. So going back to our problem, tangent 56 is just a number in your calculator. So just focus on, what do I have to do to solve for X? I have to multiply by 13. So just multiply both sides by 13. There we go. This is what you have to enter in your calculator to get your answer. So if you're trying to show work, you need to write down your answer is 13 times tangent 56. So let's do that. 13 times tangent of, what was that again? 56? 56. Whoops, see how that's screwed up? Got to make sure that's in the parentheses. There's your answer, 19.2732. I don't know how many decimal places they want you to do. I'm just going to do 2, 19.27. All right, I'm about to run out of time over here, but it's fine. I'm going to come back and do this one right here. So don't go away. Click on the next video.